understanding is that she does not have an address, a confirmed address to return to other than the address where she lives.
That's going to be a problem,
And that
of
is
course.
going to be a problem because one of the officials that she not have contact with suspected driver in this case and all this.
All right. And understand that violation of any of these release conditions will result in your release being revoked. You'll be brought back into custody. All right. Specifically, you'd have no contact whatsoever with the family of the victims in this case. Are you familiar with their names? Or do you need to know? There are also no contact provisions with respect to Linda Diane Smith, Brandon Smith, and that means any contact whatsoever. I can't emphasize to you enough the breadth of that order. That means direct contact, indirect contact, electronic contact through third parties, etc. Any violation of that order will be a violation of this order and could subject you to additional charges. If you have any questions, you should take the day in touch with that address, and there's no phone number on here either.
I'll let her address that.
The detectives down at Stapleton have one.
Okay, well, you'll need to have satisfactory arrangements with supervised release, both for your address and your phone number. You'll have to keep in touch with your attorney at all times and to make all your court appointments. Failure to show up at your court appointments is not only a violation of this order, but it constitutes a new crime of bail jumping, which is a felony. Do you understand that? When's your next court date, ma'am? What time?
Your Honor, you provided that obviously this order will be at that point.
Correct. I think it's appropriate that we not release it until we have that.
Okay. That would be appropriate.
Okay. So I'll simply say, do not release until we confirm that.
Just want me to hold the order or shout in court my hand?
What do you recommend?
I said I can give her my contact number and execute the order. She has one such time to think of her hand. And then the
I'll leave it up to you.
have to reflect that.
You know best how your procedures work over there, so I'll leave it up to you.
Hold on to this order until you get her address, phone number, so that's it's written on the order.
Yeah, okay, very good. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, like I said, if there is a way that we can confirm or verify that Mr. Brandon Smith is willing to voluntarily remove himself from that residence so that there is no contact between the two of them, then obviously it could be a workable solution. However, we
Do you want to confer on that, or is
He is present in the courtroom, so.
Let's call him up here then. Mr. Smith, Brandon Smith? You Brandon Smith?
No. That's father.
Where did Mr. Smith go?
He's not here.
Oh, he's not here, okay.
All right, well, until such time as we get, I want to see him in person, and I want his assurances. Right now, there's no, I understand there's no open file against him, so there's no jurisdiction. But if he comes before the court and he represents that the housing arrangements will be such that he is absolutely not living there, then the court could consider it. But until we get that lined up, we'll release it.
thank you, Your Honor.
Should we put it on the docket for tomorrow, or I don't know if the family has any input on that?
If you can come back here this morning, we could try to recall it if custody can arrange that. Otherwise, I'll be back on tomorrow morning.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Hearing nothing, any statements, sir?
Okay. Well, we'll call it back when it's ready, or should we automatically put it on for tomorrow morning?
Let's put it on for tomorrow morning. If he shows up fine, if he doesn't show up, it's his option.
Very well.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Ma'am, have a seat to the right.
December 13th, the first
Counter.
document.
Go ahead and come forward here, ma'am.
Now, I'm handing up to the court the order of those conditions. Mr. Presley has gone over those conditions with Smith, and we're prepared to enter that order.
All right, Ms. Smith, it looks like you have posted bail, or posted a cash bail, looks like, okay? And We've gone over these release conditions with Mr. Cressy. You understand them all? Okay, there are some strict provisions in here. There, specifically, there's some no contact provisions with respect to the family of the alleged victims of the crime here. Do you need their names read out, or do you need their names? Okay, thank you. You're to report immediately when you're released to supervised release over there at the jail. And there's also no contact provisions with respect to Kalista Andino, who's a fellow defendant. Brandon Smith, I guess that's your son. Okay, and that means the no contact provisions, ma'am, are very broad, very sweeping. That means any contact, direct, indirect, electronic, from third parties, any sort of contact whatsoever would be a violation of this order. It could also potentially subject you to additional criminal liability. Who's the attorney we appointed for you? Your name is significant legal jeopardy to violating these no contact provisions. You're to maintain the designated address there on Madrona Street, and that Craig Smith there. Apparently none of the other individuals involved are living at that address, is that correct? For any of your court hearings is not only a violation of the release order, but it's also a new felony charge of bail jumping. If you violate any of these release order conditions, ma'am, despite having posted bail, your release can be revoked, you'll be brought back into custody. Do you understand that? And again, I'm going to strongly recommend that you get an attorney formally on board in this case, certainly by your arraignment date of February 7th. Do you understand? Anything else?
That covers it.
Thank you. Get a copy of this order.